Yo, imagine being with somebody that you can't be yourself around. Let that sink in for a minute, because I know there's a few chosen ones out there that are living in this chaotic lifestyle. But really sit there and imagine yourself being with a person, right? And then you have to hide certain parts of yourself where you can't voice certain opinions. You get what I'm saying? Like, is it really worth? Like, I understand making the sacrifice to be with somebody. I get it. But I don't know. Me personally, I feel like that's probably why I'm still single to this day. Is like, if I feel like I can't 100% be myself around a person, and I mean 100%, dude. Like, all sides of me, the goofy side, the you know what I'm saying, the serious side, you know what I mean, the sad side. Like, if I can't be all of that and still be accepted, like, if I have to hide even one of them, I'm not messing with you. Like, or you just gotta go. Like, that's just the type of lifestyle I'm on right now. Because I used to be the type, I used to kill off all types of parts of my characteristics. You get what I'm saying? To go be with somebody, or to go fake, put on a mask and act like I'm a different type of person to go belong with the crowd. Like, nah, man. I learned that in my life, I'm different. You know what I'm saying? I'm different than everybody that I even know. Like, I'm just different, bro. And chosen ones, you're different too. Like, I'm not sure if we are not humans and we are just here, or are we the only humans and they are the ones that's here. And when I say they, you know what I'm talking about, the inorganic ones, the damn LTSOs, the less than smart ones. Damn Decepticons, Deceptioners, all they do is practice the art of deception. Can't stand them, yo. But that's not even the point of the video. Yo, if you can't be yourself with that person, let them go, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're really just holding you back from somebody that would, I mean, absolutely adore every part of your characteristics. Like, yo, another example. I'm an affectionate person, right? Like, listen. These lips, if you my girl, oh my God, baby, you about to get 1,000 kisses on your face, feel me? Like, I'm always just, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just that affectionate, lovable person. Like, if you seem like you just lovable, I'm gonna just be loving on you, goddamn, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm free like that, you know what I mean? But yeah, I dated some girls, bro, that, you know, I got close, try to, they're like, you're so sensitive. Oh, stop, what the hell? I'm like, what the frick? And I used to get upset and then just put it to the back, like, all right, whatever. I guess this girl don't like affection. So what did I do? I killed my side of loving affection for somebody that doesn't like affection. It's like, bro, I could go find a woman that absolutely, I mean, freaking positively loves affection, bro, that just wants to be freaking held and coddled and just love the bond. You get what I'm saying? Rubbed up and just, you know what I mean? Some people just don't like to be touched, and I get it. And those people can stay the hell away from me. You can stay on the other side of the screen and we can watch each other parasocially, baby. But other than that, ain't no relationships forming, man. I learned my lesson dealing with people that can't accept 100% of me, because I understand I'm too much. Yo, I understand I am a whole heap of character, feel me? Like I'm not everybody's cup of tea, feel me? So I don't try to make myself fit in any basket, in anybody's planet, please. Feel me? If they're not on my program, they gotta go. And that should be for you too, chosen ones. If they're not on your program, that means they gotta go. When they're on your program, when I say your program, I mean, dude, I mean like the chemical makeup that makes up who you are, feel me? There's somebody out there that has the total exact, like, you know what I'm saying, identical matching of that it fits like identical puzzle pieces. You get what I'm saying? Like, you like this, she like that. You like that, she like that. He like this, you like that. Feel me? It's like, the symmetry is impeccable. But yeah, some people decide to just stay with some people. I'm not saying these people are wrong. Look at these people playing basketball. I'm not saying that these people are wrong. I'm not saying that they're wrong, right? for being who they are, because they're being who they are, feel me? I'm saying you're wrong for one, being with the person that can't accept your characteristics, and two, for blaming that person. Because dude, I used to do that so much, bro. I used to get mad, and then once I never used to really say it to their face. Well, towards the end, I started saying it to their face. I started voicing my opinions, feel me? That's why we're no longer together nor friends. The point I was making, man, basically is, man, just stop being with people that can't fill your cup. You know what I'm saying? You with them filling their cup, they can't fill yours, man, they gotta go, man. Alright, I'm ranting. One love.